on workspace drafting in annotation, from the tab home panel, draw. From the drop down menu, activate the command Helix. Click left mouse button and in drawing field specify center point of base. Some here click and specify base radius. May move the cursor or enter some digits from the keyboard. It's maybe 40 millimeters, and click enter on the keyboard. Next step, specify top radius. Move the cursor and click some here. Click. To visuality, change the view on southwest isometric. Some zoom. Sorry, moment please. And specify helix height. Move the cursor or change some of the option. It may be turns. Turns may be 15, 50, and click enter. Enter some digits from the keyboard and click enter on the keyboard. And turn. We can change turn or twist. Click here, and change the option from the command line is tweaks. Move the cursor on that option and click left mouse button, and we can change CCV or CV. It may be CV. Next step, some zoom and click something here or enter some digit from the keyboard. It may be 100, and click enter on the keyboard. To view from away, activate the command orbit and sorry. Now I drawing grid disable and another orbit, and we have helix. From here is CCV. From here is CV, and from here it's maybe enough for helix.